This was an interesting learning for us. When we moved to the country, the first thing we did was bought solar lights, and lots of them. And we put them up everywhere, and they all had motion sensors. But that was in the beginning of my learning experience. I didn't realize that motion sensors are radio frequency. I didn't realize LEDs had radio frequency. So that is something that you need to be very cautious of. And if you've got a flashlight like the one you see there on your left that's got a battery in it, so the battery it's like having your DB on all the time, right? So if it's on, there's electric fields. Yeah, there's voltage, there's electric fields. And the moment you switch the light on, so you've got the light, it's off next to your bed, but then it's got an electric field. And the moment you switch it on, it's got a magnetic field. And then depending on the globes you've got and the LED, and if it's got a motion sensor, there's radio frequency as well. So there's a real challenge with LED lights, solar lights, anything that contains a battery. I really want to emphasize this. Any electronics that contains a battery, if you use it or have it in your house, and even if it's off, the battery is still there, which means the voltage is engaged. So you have to be very careful of that. What we found works really, really well. By far the best option is gas lighting, gas fridges, gas geysers, gas stoves, and even a gas heater. And obviously a fireplace is first prize because you get some nice atmosphere as well.